Hello everyone, Dan from Speedy Sep here, and today I want to go over a quick overview of how we can help you streamline your printing process. So I'll do it pretty quick, so let's jump into it. So the first part is we're going to take the time to understand exactly how you work. And what do I mean? First thing is your mockups. We need to receive all your mockups from you to make sure we're delivering your mockups to your customers. If you have custom mockups, we will need them. If you need help in customizing new mockups, we can help you with that as well. The next part is we need to understand how you communicate with your customers. By that I mean your artwork approval process. Do you only use your CRM and automating emails that your CRM is creating? So for example, Printavo, every time you're uploading a new design to Printavo, it generates an email to your customer for approval. What happens if your customer declines it? You go on a call with your customer. So we need to go through the process and understand clearly how you go about the approval process with your customers. The next thing we will need from you is the technical stuff. How should we deliver your SEPs, your output template, and any other technical things you have in your print shop that we need to know about. So let's speak quickly about the process of working together and how we're going to communicate. Basically, if you have some sort of a CRM, Printavo, Eazeflow, if you use Monday.com or any other CRM, we basically plug into it. We take the orders from there. We create the mockups. We upload them back, and your customer receives them. They approve it, decline it. We work back and forth. We usually try to keep it under 1 or 2 approvals. After that, we will want you to jump into the process. But basically, that's the process. We also going to let you know how to mark your tabs. We like to create some sort of a specific flow for it, so we will help you with that as well. The next thing is we're going to help you set up your email notifications. So we're going to provide you a custom email, so we will never miss an order from you. Another thing we're going to provide you is something we call the Mockup guidelines template. It's basically a guideline to help your customers to use graphic design terminology instead of long stories to explain the revision they need. Basically, a short document with some keywords that helps your customers provide us revision in a clear way. Another thing we're going to set up with you is a chat group. We like to use Skype. If you want to use something else, you can advise us what you like to use. But we prefer to use Skype. We're going to assign you one designer and another administrative person to be available in the chat group. So we want you to feel like we're sitting in your printing facility. So every time you need something, you can chat with your designer. If you need something quickly, we can adjust it, send it quickly to you. If you have a rush job, just let us know. We're here to service you, and we're here to service you fast. Let's speak about our turnaround. We usually deliver things in 24 to 48 hours. We can do it faster, but we need to speak about it before. Our guarantees. We don't do any contracts. We usually like to take the first week for a trial. If you like to work with us, if you enjoy the process, if we're helpful, that's great. We can keep on doing the work. If not, no hard feelings. We'll just move on. It's totally fine. some more expectations for us. And what do I mean? In terms of pricing, we have a very basic model, $9 for one color basic design, $19 for spot colors that is made out of a few colors, maybe it needs halftones, and $29 for 4-color process or simulation. We charge $250 for each mockup. And basically, if you have something very complex, a mockup or a design, we should talk about it in advance. We will also provide you a document with the pricing. Again, we're going for full transparency. Like I mentioned before, no contracts, set costs. If you have a specific volume that you're doing daily or weekly in your shop, we should know about it in advance as well. The last part is the onboarding. Everything I just discussed. You're going to receive a document that outlines the whole process, what we need from you, our expectations. And basically, after I'm providing you this document and I'm setting up the chat and the email, we can work on your orders right away. We can start from the same day we start the process. If you need more information, if you want to learn about the process, if it's something that can be beneficial for your shop, email us at team@speedysep.com or call us at 954-707-7155. I hope it clarifies the process. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Have a great day.